Hi everyone, this week the River and Row Museum is teaching you how to make a bug hotel. This is a super simple and super fun craft, so let's get started. Here's what you'll need. An empty plant pot, see-through is preferable, or an empty drinks container. Scissors and string, lots of sticks, bark, pine cone, anything you can get your hands on. So using an empty toilet roll which I had, and also some shells which I had. This is optional, but you can also make a sign for your hotel. I used paper, felt tips and sticky tape. I'm also using these empty plastic casings which I had lying around the house. I'm repurposing them to go over the top of my sign to stop it from getting wet when it goes outside. And here's what you need to do. Please ask a grown-up for help to chop the top part of the bottle off and the end like this, so you have an empty tube. All I'm doing is placing the sticks inside the tube where it feels right. I'm putting the toilet roll in there as well, in the middle so it's not close to the edge and won't get wet if it rains. I'm also putting some shells in there. Please, if you're going to be using a plant pot, please again ask a grown-up to chop the bottom off for you. Now I'm just doing the same again, putting sticks and twigs and bark in, an interesting thing that I could find, into the bottle like this. I'm also putting in the end of the plant pot back in there so that nothing is wasted. And it should look something like this. Now I'm going to be making my sign. I'm just cutting the paper to around the right size. Please ask an adult to use the scissors for you. Then I'm just decorating my sign. If you don't have a plastic wallet, you could also wrap a piece of paper in sticky tape and plastic wrap, or anything you have, just trying to be as least wasteful as is possible. I'm just adding some cute little critters on there. I'm just putting it in my plastic wallet. Here's the other plastic wallet I made using an empty phone case thing and some sticky tape. Now I'm just tying some string around the bottle and I sticky tape the sign to the bottom of it, just making sure it will fit both the bottles' hotels in there and cutting it. If you're using sharp scissors like these, remember to ask a grown-up to chop things for you. Now I'm just tying a knot around there. Then I'm sticky taping the second sign in the middle. And then I'm doing another knot so the second hotel doesn't bunch up around the sign. And I'm just laying that on top and tying the string around this one so we have sort of 2 stories. And I'm just tying it up around a low branch on a tree in my garden so that bugs can crawl in or fly in. If you don't have string or you don't want to tie it up, you can also just position these bottles somewhere in your garden where you get a lot of bugs, and I'm sure they will move in soon enough. If you do try this craft, remember to share your hotels with us. We'd love to see what you come up with. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!